February live cattle were modestly lower. They consolidated or continue to consolidate the big gains that we had on Tuesday. Wednesday traded mostly sideways. And then on Thursday, we started lower. We came down to the short-term 10-day moving average, bounced off of it, still closed lower on the day, but just, like I said, modestly lower, really not a big deal. And honestly, it could have been a lot more bearish. This is sort of consolidating the gains that we had and sort of taking a breather to let the relative strength index settle down and sort of catch up. We had our weekly export sales report, which we normally do on Thursdays when it's not a holiday week. And they were up very slightly from what we saw the previous week. In fact, they were only up 1% week over week. They were up 8% on the 4-week average. So it was a decent number, not shocking, not terribly good, not terribly bad. It was just sort of run of the mill, so to speak. And for the live cattle market, export sales, exports are a big part of the overall cattle balance sheet or the beef balance sheet. Not nearly as big of a portion as they are in, say, markets like soybeans or pork. But it is good to see, and it's good to see what international buyers think of our prices. The much bigger deal, though, comes on the cattle on feed report, which is due out Friday afternoon after the close. For an on-feed number, the average trade guess is 99.9% year over year, so basically 100%, similar number to what we saw at the same time last year. The range of guesses is 99.2 to 101.3. The big area of contention here is placements, though. The average trade guess is 103.4, but there's a very wide range of guesses from 100 to 107%. The higher that number is, the more it looks like longer term we might start to ease the supply tightness situation that we have. But if that number comes in closer to the 100%, well, that really reignites that fear. So I think for me, that's the big number on this report. We also have marketings. The average trade guess there is 105.1%. The range of guesses is 104.7 to 105.7. A strong marketings number suggests that we have pretty strong upfront demand. So that's not a bearish thing for the markets. So anyways, that will be an interesting report. We'll be talking about that into next week. There's a lot of things going on with the live cattle market right now, so stay tuned. In the meantime, have a wonderful day and you stay safe.